and go.
Yes, now that's why I told you it's the cruising gear now. It's the cruising gear. But no air. If you tune,
Yeah.
you don't need to touch it. Once it's revving down, once it's downshifting, it will be popping. Like see Steve's own that BMW.
Yeah.
It would forever downshift and then to always pop like bubble.
The F90.
No, that C43 F18, I be F12.
It's only the F90 that I see that pops. You understand?
Yes.
During that car meet.
Oh.
That's Steve F90.
That's F12. It's, yes, they call it either F18 or F12.
That's not F90.
Nope. F90 is like, F90 is BMW M5.